Prix is a race for 4-year-old standardbred pacers at Hippodrome 3R in Trois-Rivières, Quebec. It was run for the first time in 1966 as the Prix d'Automne Autumn Classic at the now defunct Blue Bonnets Raceway in Montreal. Run over a distance of 1 mile on a 5/8 mile oval track, the race was open to pacers age 4 and older. A $50,000 purse made it the richest harness race at that time in Canadian history. In 1967 the race was renamed the L'Amble du Centenaire, Centennial Pace, in honor of Canada's 100th birthday, and made open to pacers age 3 and older. In 1968 it became the Prix, and in 1971 was modified to a stake race for 3-year-old pacers. Retrieved August 2, 2016. The Prix was one of the top harness races in North America through 1992. The 1993 edition had to be cancelled due to a 5-month strike by horsemen. However, the race was not run again until being revived in 2014 at Hippodrome 3R in Trois-Rivières as a race for 4-year-olds. With a purse of $200,000, it is currently the richest race in North America for 4-year-old pacers. Retrieved July 21, 2016. Records. Most wins by a driver. 2. Keith Waples, 1972, 1975. 2. Michelle Lachance, 1988, 1989. 2. Yannick Gingras, 2014, 2016. Most wins by a trainer. 6. Billy Houghton, 1967, 1970, 1974. Stakes record. 150 3/5, Sunfire Blue Chip, 2014, and All Bets Off, 2015. Prix winners. References.